We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at Studio Apartment 426. This is a unique apartment that's at the corner or east end of the building, so I wanted to show you some of the special features of these corner apartments so you can see the end of the hallway. There's another apartment right across the hall from us. And let's go on in. So the first thing we'll notice is that the kitchen is in a different position or layout than we've seen in our other kitchens here in Collegetown Center. It's the same features, the same shape and size, but we're looking directly at the kitchen instead of it being on our left or right. So refrigerator, sink, dishwasher, microwave, stove and oven, some cabinets. So our next unique feature here is we'll have a side window. We have this side window in apartments 426 and 526, and this is facing to the east. We'll take another peek at that as we go by. And the bathroom is over here. So this is like the other bathrooms we've seen in Collegetown Center. You've got the medicine cabinet, the toilet, the vanity, the full-size tub shower over on the right. There we go. Okay, let's go look out that first window. So this apartment on the 4th floor does have 3 large bright windows. This is facing to the east, so we have great morning exposure. That's that main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road right there, so you can see we're right in the very center of Collegetown. Let's go on through into the main part of the apartment. Before we do that, I want to take a look. There's looking back towards the kitchen that we just came through. Okay, so let's go into the apartment here. We'll pass by the closet. Let's take a look in there. We have a nice large closet. So some good hanging space. The thing I like about this apartment is that your kitchen is completely separated from your living space. You can't see the kitchen from the bedroom living space. So as we go on in, it's the same shape or size that we've seen in the other studio apartments. It just has a much different feel to it. You can see the same furnishings. We've got the full-size bed, the dresser, the bookshelf, the dining table and chair, and the desk and chair. You can see another 2 large windows. So this is another eastern facing window. We have this window would be available on floors 3, 4, and 5. And then the south facing window, this is the main window. This will have on all of these corner apartments, 226, 326, 426, and 526. So that's a look at this unique, very bright corner studio apartment with 3 windows. You can see that 3rd window over there. We're in apartment 426 here at Collegetown Center, right in the heart of Collegetown at 151 Dryden Road. So if you're looking for a nice bright apartment with a different feel from our other studio apartments, these corner apartments are a great choice here in the Collegetown Center building.